able, He is mighty, He is faithful. He never sleeps, He never slumbers, He never tires of hearing our prayer. When we are weak, He becomes stronger. So rest in His love, cast all of your cares on Him. Do you feel that the Lord has forgotten your need? Just